All right, let's take a peek. Again, we're going to be estimating sums, and when I see the word sum, and differences. You want to make sure that you have those operations attached to those words. So I showed you with a sum last time. Now we're going to go ahead and estimate some differences. I think this is another thing that test makers often try to do, is that they'll write numbers horizontally because they're trying to trick you and trying to solve it that way. Don't fall for those tricks. Now when we look at this number's in the thousands and this number's in the thousands. So if I'm going to estimate, and a key word for estimate, if somebody asks you about how much that's going to be, if you want to know about what that answer is going to be, that one goes to the thousands, so does that one. So that's where we're going to round to. Both of these have a 4, so we know both will round down. And in the magical world of rounding, down means stays the same. So when I subtract these, I get 3,000. Remember, I'm not done, because when I do an estimate, I also want to see what the actual answer is, because I want to make sure that I did everything correctly. This way I could find if I made some sort of rounding error. 2 minus 1, 1, 2. 3 minus 9, well, that would get me a negative number, because I can't take 9 from this. So since this number is smaller, I'm going to go next door and borrow a group. So now I've got 13 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 minus 4, here's 3. Can I take 4 away? Gotta go next door. Now I'm going to count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I stop once I get to that top number. Got a 9. 4 minus 2, 2, 3, 4. Notice that when I'm subtracting, I am counting up. Counting up is so much easier than counting backwards. If you are fantastic at counting backwards, go for it. If you're like me and you make subtraction errors a lot, then look, count up. We've got fingers. We can pound that bottom number and count up to the top one. We can do that. And that way we'll make sure that we have an accurate answer. Now let's compare. 2,941. Is that pretty close to 3,000? Yeah, that is pretty close. So I probably did a good job with this one.